Our next bid for Oswego County Terminal Building, Oswego Airport is, excuse me, the HVAC portion of the bid. It's bid OSW-002-21. Our first bidder is King & King Mechanical. It's a bid bond of 5%. We have a total, excuse me, mechanical HVAC bid of $99,371. Our next bidder is J&A Mechanical. With a bid bond of 5%. We have a bid price, total bid price, excuse me, of $97,000. And our last bid is Condra Jacqueline again. I'm probably butchering it, but deja vu. And it's a bid bond of 5%. And the bid price for total mechanical HVAC bid is $117,898. And that completes all four, 117,898. Completes the bid package for Oswego County construction of terminal building at Oswego County Airport, OSW-002-21. Thank you very much.